In this lesson, we will learn how to round the edges of solid objects using the Fillet Edge tool. For this reason, I have created a solid object with sharp edges. The Fillet Edge tool can be found in the Solid Editing panel of the Solid ribbon. Alternatively, you can type Fillet Edge in the command line and press Enter to activate it. Once the tool is active, I have to select the edges I want to fillet. As soon as I select the edge, a preview appears. To define a specific radius, I will select the radius option that appears in the command line. A message prompts me to enter the fillet's radius. I can even select the expression option and define the radius through a function. In this example, I will type 0.3 and press Enter to define the radius. When the radius is defined, the preview changes accordingly. Since I am satisfied with the preview, I will press Enter twice to see the final result. Notice that the tool is deactivated and the filleted edge appears in a different color. At this point, I will activate the Fillet Edge tool again to show you the rest of the options. The chain option specifies more than one edge when the edges are tangent to one another. To get a better picture of what that means, I will select this option and then I will click on an edge. Notice that the chain of edges is selected automatically. So I will specify the radius of the fillet as 0.4 and press Enter. I will press Enter again and the message "Press Enter to accept the fillet" appears. At this point, a grip appears that allows me to change the fillet's radius manually if I click on it and drag it. I will click again to define the new radius and press Enter to see the final result. Let's move on to the loop option. This option, as its name indicates, specifies a loop of edges on the face of a solid. For any edge, there are two possible loops. After selecting a loop edge, you are prompted to accept the current selection or choose the next loop. To see how that works, I will activate the Fillet Edge tool one more time and select the loop option that can be found in the command line. Then I will click on an edge and a loop will be selected automatically. I can either accept the current loop or select Next to switch to the other loop. As soon as I accepted the loop, the fillet's preview appeared. I will specify the radius of the fillet as 0.2 and press Enter as many times as I need to deactivate the tool and see the result.